Hey guys, it's good to have you back. So if you have a towel dryer like this one and for some reason whenever you touch it it's like almost cold while the water in house is very hot and everything is supposedly to be fine, there might be one small problem which is happening. Inside of these rails, let's call them like that, there might be air, and that is very bad for the heating because it prevents water from circulating, so we need to let it out. And the good thing is that it's very easy and you don't need to touch any of these, right? This might be the first thing to look at. The only thing that you need to do is you need to grab some sort of a chair on which you can step on. So let's come up here, and from the top you will see these air venting screws, right? Let me try to focus. So grab the screwdriver like this, then put it inside, open a little bit, and the water will start to come out. So if there is air in the system, obviously the air will come out, right? So the only thing you need to make sure is that the water is coming. When the water is out from both sides, like this, then you can be sure that there's no air in the system. That's how you fix the towel dryer, which is not heating well.